Hello, my lovely entrepreneurs. Welcome to Succeed with Miss Yvette. Can I ask you something? Have you ever looked at someone else's success and thought, why am I not there yet? Maybe you've watched successful entrepreneurs online and seen big, beautiful offices and big businesses and thousands of followers and them traveling the world. And suddenly you start questioning yourself. If you ever felt that way, today's message is for you. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I want to talk to you about something that affects almost every entrepreneur at one time or another. We live in a world where it's easy to compare our beginning to someone else's success. We scroll through social media and see people announcing six-figure businesses, new offices, big teams, exciting milestones. What we usually don't see are the years of hard work, the failures, the doubts, the sacrifices that came before those moments. And most don't even talk about it. Comparison has a way of making us forget our own progress. Instead of celebrating how far we've come, we focus on how far we think we still have to go. One lesson that I've learned, that everyone has a different journey. Some people move quick and others take longer. Neither path is wrong. The important thing is that you keep moving. One step, one lesson, and one decision at a time. That's how businesses are built. That's how confidence grows. And that's how dreams become realities. Remember, your business doesn't need to look like someone else's to be successful. It needs to reflect your values, your purpose, and the people you are called to serve. One of the greatest gifts you can give yourself is permission to grow at your own pace. Don't rush your journey because someone else appears to be ahead. Don't do that. Stay focused on becoming a little better than you were yesterday. Progress may feel slow, but every step is moving you forward. Success isn't about keeping up with everyone else. It's about staying faithful to your own vision. So today, I want to encourage you to stop comparing and start building. Success is what you make it. Celebrate every lesson. Celebrate every small win. Celebrate every step forward. Because one day, someone else is going to look at your journey and find hope in it. If this message encouraged you today, I'd love for you to subscribe and be a part of our community and leave a comment down below of some of your milestones or some of your struggles. I'll be here to talk with you every week about mindset, business, leadership, customer service, and building a business that serves others with excellence. Remember, your journey doesn't have to look like anyone else's. It has to become the journey you were meant to live. Keep believing, keep serving, and keep succeeding. I'm Miss Yvette, and I'll see you in the next video.